You're going to build a new train?
New train?
Yeah, you're just going to build a new train? Wow, look at that city you built. Whoa. How come the lights aren't on in that city?
Yeah.
How do you turn those lights on?
I didn't want to watch it.
No, yeah, right? Because it's nighttime.
There's a one light there on that one.
Yeah.
This is nighttime. Can you get Picardo?
Papa Carlo?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're going to send this to him. Say hi, Papa Carlo.
Hi, Picardo.
Oh, you got to say it to the iPad. Say hi, Papa Carlo.
Hi, Picardo.
He wants to see you drive the trains. That's why we're doing this. We'll show him how it goes up this big steep hill over here. Ready? This is... What scale is this, Angelo? Angelo, what scale is this?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's the yeah scale, Papa Carlo.
Gas pump.
Gas pump. Yeah scale. Ooh. Ooh. Here we go. That's a one big train. It's got to go through that clock tower and down the hill. Go slow. Push it from the middle. Pull that train through. Here we go, down the hill. Whoa!
Picardo.
Say goodbye.